This is a brand new 2012 Jaguar XF. This sedan has over 380 horses and a 5.0-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, cruise control, leather seats, a four-wheel independent suspension, a security system, front and rear floor mats, stability control, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and alloy wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering the Park Place Premier Collection for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership on Lemmon Avenue.